If you're looking for a way to make your ads more interactive and engaging, Unicode might be the tool for you. But is it the best option? In this quick Unicode explanation, I'll show you exactly how to use it for interactive advertising, where it works well, and where it falls short. Plus, at the end, I'll share an exclusive extended free trial for a better alternative depending on your needs. First, Unicode is mainly known for its dynamic QR codes, allowing businesses to link ads to landing pages, videos, promotions, and even track user engagement. You can customize QR codes with brand colors, logos, and call to actions, making them visually appealing. Next, the platform provides in-depth analytics, showing how many scans your QR codes get, where they're scanned, and even the type of device used. This is crucial for optimizing campaigns. However, the downside? While the analytics are helpful, they lack real-time AI-driven insights that some competitors offer, meaning you might miss out on automatic campaign improvements. Another key feature is its integrations with marketing tools like HubSpot and Google Analytics. This is useful for tracking conversions, but Unicode lacks built-in A/B testing. So, if you want to compare different QR code designs or links for better performance, you'll need third-party tools. Now, let's talk pricing. Unicode's plans can get expensive for businesses running large campaigns, and some essential features are locked behind higher tier subscriptions. If you're on a budget, you might find better value elsewhere. So, is Unicode worth it? It's great if you need basic, customizable QR codes with analytics, but if you want AI powered optimizations, real time tracking, or better affordability, there are stronger options. That's why I've added an exclusive extended free trial for a better alternative that helps you get more engagement for interactive advertising. Plus, I've listed other top competitors, all with free trials, so you can test them yourself. Check the link in the description to get the best deal available right now.